Yes, now we can discuss about five types of metal roofs and their salient features. Number one is aluminum roofing. Aluminum roofing is one of the most lightweight roofing materials on the market. Yet it is also the most durable roofing materials available, as aluminum's strength to weight ratio is higher than other types of metal used for roofing. The aluminum roof is easy to install and maintain and comes in a variety of different colors. They are corrosion resistant, and malleable. Hence, the panels are available in different varieties and can be bent to take angular forms around the roof. On the same note, compared to steel roofing, aluminum roofing is more prone to denting. Then, in metal roofings, second one is steel roofing. Steel roofing. In residential roofing, steel is most selected for installing metal roofing. There is a stainless steel alternative too. However, it is very common. Stainless steel roofing gives the same look as galvanized metal, but it doesn't rust. Steel roofing can withstand battering from hailstorms, and offers the same lifespan as copper roofing. Depending on the cost, appearance, and installation, its price varies. Steel roofing is low maintenance, resistant to fire and water, and highly durable. However, because they are expensive, one must finalize their budget before opting for steel roofing. And third, metal roofs are third option is copper roofing. Copper has a striking appearance as its color changes over time when it is covered with a blue, green, or brown patina. Copper roofing Copper roofing is available in the form of tiles, sheets, panels, or shingles. Furthermore, a copper roof has an average lifespan of 60 to 100 years. The patina it develops makes its corrosion resistant, contributing to its long lifespan. However, copper is an expensive and hence it is used as an accent on the roof instead of the entire roof system. Furthermore, the copper is easily dented, so it is not suitable for houses that are exposed to heavy rains, snow, or hailstorms. However, if you are keen on copper, then when you search, find best roof company near me and a note for copper roofs to find roofers who work with the metal. And in metal roofs, fourth one is tin roofing. Tin roofing is made from rolled steel that is chemically bonded with tin to make the roof durable and crack resistant. It is a lightweight material that makes it easier to install. However, the tin roof has now been replaced by aluminum and other more durable metals over the years. Yet, for those who appreciate the tin's simple and rustic appearance, there is an alternative with galvalume or painted metal panels that you can ask the best roof company near me about. Then metal roofs. In the metal roofs, we can discuss about the fifth option is zinc roofing. Zinc roofing is similar to copper roofing and has a beautiful appearance. Its patina will change color as the metal ages. Although most zinc roofing panels today are pre-painted, the zinc roof is uncommon because they are expensive, and even the best roof company near me may not have this material on offer because they are in short supply. However, It has several advantages such as its attractive looks, that is a result of the prolonged exposure to moisture and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This gives me roof an attractive blue-gray patina. Over time, the patina makes the roof corrosion resistant, protecting the roof from rusting. A zinc roof can last over 80 to 100 years. Even though most metal roofs are prone to denting, they are easier to repair or replace in parts compared to other roofing materials. If you are considering installing metal roofing, carefully consider the price you are willing to pay and the utility the roof will serve beside the obvious aesthetic considerations. These are the 5 types of metal roofs. This information will be useful especially for in constructions and in factories and all this. So, this information will be useful to them. Wishing you all the best.